Oke, bismillah. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I would like to introduce to you guys about my first project in senior high school. So my first project in senior high school is making a repository in GitHub with Git, with programming language of Git. So first thing first, in Visual Studio Code, I made two files of txt. Like the first is index.txt, and the notes is ini adalah catatan pertama, and then I made the second file of txt, like just describe ini adalah catatan kedua, and I not forgot to make readme.md, so there is a description in the GitHub, like latihan GitHub, and ini adalah file GitHub buat belajar tugas pertama saya di pelajaran IT. So that's the description for my GitHub. Okay, so the important thing is how I submit to GitHub. So first thing first that I do is git status. So I git status. What the function of git status? So the function of git status is show to you that what is the file that has modified or not yet submitted in the GitHub. And when I git status, I just update my readme.md. So he said that there is one file that modified, that is readme.md. So I must to modify it. So he said must git add. Okay, so and then I do git add space and dot, and I submit it, and there is nothing changed. So git add, the function is just adding the first step to adding your project to your repository in GitHub. And then git commit min m and your project name. So like git what the function of git commit strip m. So the function is like you submit to Git. This is the second step of submitting to GitHub, and you giving the name of your update, like this I type GitHub 2. This the name of the update, and then when you submit it, the one file change and two insertions and one deletions. That's the statistic of your change in Visual Studio Code or your files. And then the last thing you must to do is git push origin main. So what is git push origin main? This is the last step before you add it to GitHub. So when you git push origin, you push your repository to online GitHub. And what is the meaning of main? The meaning of main is a branch. So each devices has a different branch. So if in Mac main, and if in Windows master. So if you guys using Windows, you guys must type git push origin master, and then he will submit it to GitHub, like writing objects and then total, and this the domain of the GitHub, and then he submitted and then done. If we check it like git status, no, nothing to commit, working tree clean. The meaning is there is no modifying again in this file. And then we check in this our GitHub, and in our GitHub there is our file that GitHub 2 and GitHub 1, like this. And then when we click it like readme.md, there is the change of our files, like ini adalah file GitHub buat belajar, we keep it out and we add tugas pertama saya di pelajaran IT. So like that. So what's the function of readme.md? Like I said before, is a description for our project, like this. When we made it in readme.md like this, we made a description like here. Latihan GitHub, ini adalah file GitHub buat belajar tugas pertama saya di pelajaran IT. So that's the function of readme.md. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Shukran if I have some mistake. Forgive me, and all the truth just from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Shukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.